What's up guys, welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos, and in this YouTube video we're going to be talking about Airbus. So this is starting off with the Airbus A380. So the good old A380, one of the largest passenger jet. So that's its largest operator as of February 2025. Oh, and also it's a double deck. So basically, it's a 242 on the top and 343 on the bottom, and then the cargo hold. Oh, and also it has a map of the construction of it and all that. Oh, and also A380 components on a looks like a boat thing. Oh, and also they first completed one at France in 2005. On its first flight, and also the flight test engineer's desk of the lower deck of the plane. Hell, now as you can see, there's just a bunch of instruments. Cargo hold thing. That's the top deck, I think. Oh, and also I forgot it was Singapore Airlines has them. Lithuania, I also forgot. Emirates, obviously I know what Emirates is the largest operator. So yeah. Oh, and also I forgot that it had a that kind of engine. So basically, looks like this photo. This is a test one because it has the same normal livery. So yeah, a composite photo of a structural loading test. Oh, and also the flight deck. Oh, the wheels. So yeah, looks like a 343. And this one looks like it's 121 or something. The residence suite. Oh, I forgot it had a lounge and bar. It does have a shower and spa, and the floor is heated. So yeah, and also Qatar. Qatar basically only owns A380s basically. From my experience, wingtip vortex from an A380. Oh, and also the fleet version, but obviously postponed. Oh, and also the plus version. Oh, and also Emirates, Qantas, and Singapore Airlines at Heathrow Airport, and those high fly A380 at a Paris Air Show. Oh, and also one of the original test planes, also for one of the test planes. An A thing with all of the custom liveries. Hee hee ha ha. Hee hee ha ha. Oh, and also Emirates again. And probably Emirates, like an Emirates seating chart thing. Now it's time to the Airbus A350 version. Well, not version, but the A350. The old A350, not the better machine, but it is still a good plane. Even though that I've never flown on it, it is trusted by many people and many companies. Also, Boeing is too. I like both Boeing and Airbus. So yeah. Oh, and also Qatar. They have Airbus A350s. That's a 800, as you can see though. Oh, model. I would like to have like a model plane this big. Of like a big plane like the A380 or something. Oh, and also the diagrams of like flight decks and all that. My face is numb. I'm probably just having like a migraine. So there's the Gale Bay, the radar, the cockpit, the avionics bay, and the crew rest areas. So the crew rest areas are just stuffed up though. So yeah, I'm obviously not going. Oh, I do like that livery, but obviously, for time's sake, I'm not going to go through all of those. Plus, also, I said my face is numb, so I'll say 350. Why is it 2? There you go, A330. So this is the butter machine, but for time's sake, I'm probably going to end this video. Like, I'll probably look at like the first 10 photos or something, then exit out of that and exit out of the tab. So that's just because my face is dumb. And for the rest of tonight, it's just going to be easy because I just have to watch YouTube for the rest of the night because I want to watch the scariest TikToks in the world, that whole type playlist. So I'm just going to have to watch all that. That's also a Siren Head series in Minecraft. But let's get back here to the Airbus A330 and basically Airbus because I want to watch YouTube. So yeah. So that's the logo of the Airbus A330. Turkish Airlines. Now, a thing that I always get confused between like Turkish Airlines and Turkish Airways, I always get like airlines and airways confused. Oh, and also whatever that is. Oh, and I was A340 and A330. Oh, and also the Rolls-Royce engines, Trent 700. Pratt and Whitney, and also a Qantas plane. And yeah, I forgot Etihad had these planes. I don't know why this is shaped like that and like that one isn't. The Airbus A340, speaking of Airbus A340s, logo of the Airbus A340. Now, it is extremely underpowered, allegedly. Oh, and also there's that same photo. I like that photo. So basically, there's that, all that. Oh, and also it's a 242. Well, those 1, 2, 3, then 4 for that. Airbus A321. So this is the logo of it. Oh, and also American has a few Airbus A321s in the history. Lithuania also. That looks like Lithuania again. So Airbuses. U.S. Airways. U.S. Airways actually went bankrupt. Turkish Airlines. Whatever that airline is. Alkia. Alkia. And a test one. And back to hell. The Airbus A320 family. Now I think I do have like my eyes can't see that good right now. So I don't need to talk about that. I don't need to talk about that because it's in this family thing. So yeah, so here's the Airbus A320 family logo. Here is one of them, which is the A320. A320 again, and also a Air France. And also Lithuania. I like Lithuania. Swiss Air, which is mainly based in Switzerland. Obviously, it says Swiss Air in the name. Frontier. I like Frontier. And basically just Iberia. How is Iberia still in business after all these years? I don't know how, but somehow they are. Oh, cockpit. We've first, and the background is the Airbus A320 family, and foreground is the Boeing 737 Next Generation. Air Asia, and also that, and EasyJet, and also private jet. Air France was looks like American, and also that plane that was involved in U.S. Airways flight 1549. Then talking about the Airbus A300, the last one here. So yeah. So it's that very old photos, mainly because it was like 1960s, 1950s when this plane was released. So obviously old photos and old equipment. Korean Air, Eastern Airlines, Indonesia Airlines, FedEx, T, SAS, Continental, American Airlines with the retro livery, Swiss Air, Airbus Beluga, and also the vertical stabilizer of American Airlines Flight 587. Oh, and also UPS 1354. Oh, and also looks like step in and you can't like fly it or anything, but just museum and a diagram. Well, that's gonna be the end of this YouTube video, and bye.